Mustang time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 302 sports roof. Now, the one thing I will tell you, it's tough to get this video to do this car justice. It wants to wash out the color of it a little bit. First off, this is original a G-code car, so that would be a medium lime paint. To me, it's obviously had a repaint along the line, restoration work done. To me, it's more like a new lime paint color, if you look it up online. But yeah, it's tough for me to get the kind of the brightness to it or the paint to pop like it does in person. Check out the still pictures. The still pictures maybe do it a little bit better justice than this video does. Nice looking car in person. Let's take a look at the front grille. Front bumper, chrome, chin spoiler. Great, iconic looking Mustang, the 70, especially in a Boss. Now, this is a G-code car, so it does have a G in the VIN designating the Boss 302 engine. We do have a Marty report on it. You can check that out in the still pictures. It has a 4-speed manual transmission paired up to that 302, and that's the way this would have been produced from Ford back in 1970. To check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, the engine bay, interior, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Paint shows very nicely on this one. Like I said, unfortunately, I can't get it to quite pop like I think it does in person. There is a few touch-up spots, and I'll try to point those out if I kind of see them as I go around. They're not very large, just a few small spots that were touched up. Black vinyl bucket seats, also the original interior color of this car. Sorry about the glare. We'll get around to the other side, check out the interior a little closer. Of course, the flat black louvers, spoiler in the rear, and deck lid. Take a look down the passenger side from the rear to the front. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Here's one of the little spots, kind of like I was talking about. Again, pretty minor. Little touch-up spot there, and there was one also, I think, on this side. A couple little spots in that rear fascia area, but touched up nicely. Take a look at the chrome rear bumper and backup lights. Taillight surround, and again, still pictures so you can see this car from every angle, inside and out, bottom to top. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Previous owner had this car for nearly 20 years before deciding to part ways and consign it with us. A little bit of work was done when it was here. We put a new accelerator pump in it, tuned the carb. And we're going to start it up here just shortly so you can hear this run. And let's see. Let's take a look at this interior first off. Door panels, black also, look good. And black bucket seats, also in nice shape, free of rips, tears, holes, much wear at all. Take a look at the passenger side also. All right, little aftermarket tack on the steering column. Other than that, you can see the dash is pretty much intact and original. Again, 4-speed manual transmission. Did have the AM radio working. That is how this would have came with an AM radio, according to the Marty report. Wipers worked. So let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. And then we'll check out that engine bay. See how easily that starts. Appeared all the gauges also worked when I was in here earlier. Alternator. Sorry about the glare, it's tough with the lights here. There's your oil pressure, you can see going up. Fuel gauge went up. CAC will also work. Alright, of course, I'm going to take it out of reverse. You have to put it in reverse to get the key all the way back to release, FYI. So we got it neutral. Again, sorry about that glare. This interior is in nice shape. Radio, AM, again, does work. Wipers do work. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. 302s have a very distinct sound. Headliner, good shape. Slip around the back. Nice sounding car. Little rumble, nothing crazy, no crazy cam, anything like that. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. God, I wish I could get that paint to show up in the video like it does in person. Like I said, it's kind of a little more gold how it washes it out in the video. And it pops in person. It's got some luster to it, FYI. I'm gonna pause this a second. Let's pop the hood and check out that 302.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go. Take a look at the engine bay. Power brake car. In 302. This is a true boss, of course. G code in the VIN, and of course I have a martyr report too. If anybody wants to check that out, that can be seen in the still pictures. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. And again, you can check out the engine bay in the still pictures, underside, trunk. If you noticed, I'm going to show you that real quick. I can't remember, I don't think I really showed that. You do have the spare, the jack, I took out of the trunk for the pictures, and also the filler panels for the rear trunk. I will put those back in when I wrap up this video. 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 302. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call in or email.